Hello students, these are Subodh Khattar's classes. I will teach you mole concept in this video. Mole concept. What is a mole? What is mole? There are many definitions of mole. Number 1, atomic mass of an atom expressed in grams is called 1 mole. Second, molecular mass. Molecular mass of a molecule expressed in gram is called a mole. For example, 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 gram. 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram. 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram. Atomic mass or molecular mass expressed in grams is called 1 mole. Now there is second definition of mole. The second definition of mole is one mole of an atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of that element. For example, 1 mole of silver. Silver क्या होता है? Ag. It is containing 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of silver. 1 mole of methane or something different, C6H12O6, that is glucose. 1 mole of glucose is having 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of glucose. Because glucose is a compound and its smallest unit is a molecule. Now, what is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23? It is called Avogadro number. Any element having 1 mole of an element is containing Avogadro number of atoms. 1 mole of element is containing Avogadro number atoms. That is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. While 1 mole of a compound, for example, glucose is a compound, it is containing Avogadro number of molecules of glucose. Okay, now there is third definition of mole. There is third definition of mole for gases. 1 mole of a gas occupies volume equal to 22.4 liter. 1 mole of a gas contain volume 22.4 liter at STP, standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature and pressure. तो स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर क्या होएगा 298 केल्विन और प्रेशर क्या होएगा 1 एटमॉस्फेयर 760 millimeter of mercury. When there is 1 mole of gas, it is containing volume equal to 22.4 liter at STP. For example, 1 mole carbon dioxide gas. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सॉलिड भी होती है और गैसियस भी होती है. 1 मोल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज इक्वल टू 24 लीटर वॉल्यूम एट STP. Now how can we convert mass into number of moles? Convert given mass of an convert given mass of an element into number of moles. We have 36 gram nitrogen element. We have 36 gram nitrogen element. Convert into mole, into moles. The number of moles is equal to mass given upon atomic mass. It is mass given is 36 gram and atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Then it is equal to 80 upon 7. .57 moles. We can also convert number of moles into gram. Number of moles को भी हम ग्राम में काउंट कर सकते हैं. Convert 4 moles of glucose C6H12O6 in gram. For this we have to calculate molar mass of glucose. We should know formula C6H12O6. It is the formula of glucose. In it we have 12 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen, 6 carbon atoms, 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms plus 6 oxygen atoms. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now 72 plus 12 plus 96. We will add it 0, 180. 1 mole C6H12O6 is equal to 180 gram. 1 mole C6H12O6 is equal to 180 gram. Now we have 4 moles of glucose. 4 moles of glucose contain 180 into 4. Gram ग्लूकोज 4 मोल्स में 720 ग्राम ग्लूकोज होगा. Next we will calculate number of atoms. Number of atoms. Number of atoms. Calculate number of atoms present in 1 mole glucose. 1 mole glucose. 1 mole glucose is containing 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of glucose. Now glucose formula is C6H12O6. It is containing 6 carbon atom. 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen atoms. So it is in one atom. In one atom. In one atom. So number of atoms in 1 mole. Number of atoms of carbon in 1 mole glucose is equal to, एक एटम में 6 कार्बन एटम्स है. देयर आर 6 कार्बन एटम्स इन वन molecule. One molecule is containing 6 carbon atoms. Then it is number of atoms in 1 mole is equal to 6 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Number of hydrogen atom in 1 mole glucose. It is equal to, एक एटम में 12 हाइड्रोजन एटम है, तो एक मोलिक्यूल में 12 1 molecule of glucose containing 12 hydrogen atoms. Then 1 mole of glucose containing 12 into 6 atoms. These are atoms. Atoms. Number of oxygen atoms in 1 mole glucose. 1 molecule is containing 6 atoms and 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. These are molecules. 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. That's all about mole concept. Thank you, students.